AI didn't just democratize competence, it commoditized it. So if you think about it, AI made it faster, but trust made it believable. The future CMO sees things differently. He sees trust as something that is not the output, but that is the input. It's so important that the trust is built beforehand, so that when something goes wrong, your audience, your customers give you the benefit of the doubt. In a world where everything can be generated, trust cannot. The question is, what do you want to be trusted for when everything else can be generated?